what I found interesting is that when people ask about risks, they completely misunderstand what the real issues are, and that is surprising. Because, for example, when people ask, so they've been asked over, I think, a year and a half, so 3 times, and you can see the trend is either going the significance, either the changing upwards or downwards, and some risks are perceived as more significant than others. And number one risk, according to the surveyed people, is of course hallucinations and inaccuracy. And so on the right, I wanted to ground this fear in some statistics. Basically, most latest models have about 1 to 1.5% hallucination rate, which is significant, but it's nothing compared to a human hallucination rate, which is about 34%. Obviously, again, these are not really apples to apples study comparisons, but you can what I'm trying to say is that we have other things to worry about than hallucination, because ultimately it's our responsibility anyway, and we should be double checking whatever AI generates as we would normally, because it's literally like receiving information from a junior colleague. So if somebody told you something in the office and it sounds off, surely you would double check that. You would ask somebody else. And it is no different with AI. In any point in time, I have about 3 or 4 windows open, and sometimes I just double check the facts in some other models, and then I would ask somebody if I can to verify that, some human expert as well.